Hey, welcome. Take this time to get comfortable. Lay down, stand, sit, whatever you do. But let the sound of the river help set the pace for you. It's just going to take about 10 minutes to help reset, recharge, help you feel good. No pressure. Just breathing. Just being present. Close your eyes. Notice your body. Notice where you're sitting, standing, how you're supported. Let your shoulders down. Unclench your jaw. Let your chest feel light. Just listen for a moment. Listen to the river. It's always moving, steady, just like you. Start to bring your attention to your breath. Don't change it yet. Just notice how you inhale, how you exhale, the rise, the fall, just like the current of the water. Always flowing. I want you to inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Deep breaths. Smooth. Easy. Continue to breathe. Focus on deep inhales through the nose, long exhales through the mouth. Take this time to set your intentions for the day, intentions for tomorrow. What is it that you want? What is it that you need? Speak it. Everything you want, you can speak it and it will manifest. Everything you want, you can have. Breathe all that energy in. Everyone that says no to this, you can't do this, you can't do that, exhale that out. There's no one like you. You hold abilities and gifts that no one else has because there's only one you. Use your gifts, use your abilities to do whatever you want to do. Keep breathing. Let the river guide you. Deep inhales, long exhales. Soften the shoulders. Each breath melting away the tension you no longer need. Let go of all of your worries in this present moment. Think nothing but positive, uplifting thoughts. Let it all manifest. Notice how your body's starting to feel maybe a little lighter. Your mind may be slowing down. Just like the water smoothing over rocks. And remember, if any thoughts show up, let them drift past like leaves in the water. You don't need to grab them. You no longer need them. Watch them float away. Keep breathing. Keep flowing. Now let's come back to a natural, easy breath. No more thinking, just breathe, just breathing. Notice the calm in your body. Notice the energy in your chest. Now take one last deep breath in for yourself. And I want you to hold it at the top. Sigh it out. Beautiful. Now take these last moments to go over that intention that you set for yourself for the day. Set for the week. Set for the upcoming days, years, months. Breathe in nothing but positive energy, positive affirmations. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Loosen up your shoulders, your neck, your ankles. Bring yourself gently back. And I want you to carry this calm, this flow into the rest of your day. The river is always peaceful, flowing, moving. So are you. Thank yourself for taking this time. You did good.